mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, we'll be doing this super easy install with this gorgeous bob wig from Sunber hair. I've worked with Sunber several times before. I've never had a problem with their wigs. Laces are always on point, so easy to match with my skin tone, and I know it will for your skin tone as well. So before I get into the video, this wig is their 14-inch straight hair bob. It was a side part, that's how it came, and this is just what I did with it. I did, like, you know, a little tuck behind the ear. I'm contemplating if I want to change it to a middle part or just leave it at the side part, but either way it's cute. And if you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box to do so, so you could definitely go on Sunber's website and shop their gorgeous, super affordable wigs. And without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial so I can show y'all how I got this wig to be 100% glueless, no glue, nothing. So let's get into the tutorial. So this wig from Sunber is actually a 14-inch straight hair bob. It was sent to me in a side part. This specific part, I did no changes to it. This is literally how it came. And obviously you guys saw it. I had to just pluck it a little. It was super pre-plucked. I didn't have to do too much. I probably plucked it for about 5 minutes and that was it. So this is definitely super beginner friendly, and I definitely recommend you purchasing if you want something quick, easy to put on after installing. This is definitely the way to go. It is 100% glueless, so you can take it off at night, put it right back on. These baby hairs should stay in place. You'd probably just have to spray some spritz on it, which I use to like hold it down, melt it, do the baby hairs, everything. This mousse, liquid mousse spritz, the best. Okay, it's like firm hold. You could probably get like a stronger hold if you want your wig to last probably all day, or it lasts all day either way. So 10 out of 10 from me. As you can see, it is glueless, so I have the option to take it off, and I just love how this lace was easy to tint in order to match my skin tone. Love that, because you know, as dark women, we definitely need something, okay, something to match our skin color, and some lace that just blends really well with our skin tones. So this is definitely one of them. Sunber has very good lace, and it was just so easy to work with this hair on a whole. So if you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And that is it for today's video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one.